So I thought I'd share with you today how I get my loose, beachy, effortless waves. The two products I'm going to be using today is the Wave Spray. It's such a tongue twister. Wave Spray. And Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. I love this. I love the aerosol and how it just comes out. And it's a pretty rad product. I'm just gonna be spraying it all over my hair. The Wave Spray gives me a nice pieceiness that I like. Piecey and texture, like it's like a salt spray. So I'm gonna be sectioning my hair. I'm gonna do this bottom part near the nape of my neck. I'm using the baby. I always say Baby Bliss, but it's Babe Bliss. Anyways, it's the porcelain ceramic curling iron. And I've dropped this a lot, so I lost that little wire thing that prevents it from sitting on the ground. Not ground, but the table, because it can burn the surface. Anyway, so I don't really give too much care into this bottom section as long as I get a bend. So if you see what I'm doing here, I'm just pulling it out. And I think, I don't know if you can tell, but my goal in curling my hair isn't to get like perfect curls. I just want a bend. I don't want to look like I've been trying to curl my hair. Well, I do. But I want it to look effortless. So, here I go. And you know what I need to do? I need to stop using so at the start of all my sentences because it sounds stupid. And when I go back to edit, I'm like, oh, why did I say it so many times? Anyways. So my hair is about yay long. Past the shoulders, above the bra strap. And I would say it's like, hairstylists would consider this like a medium length hair. I'm trying to grow it out because I like black pink and I think it looks so good when all the girls have like super long hair, even though I don't have the hair for it. But I love it when it's like super long and it's just like they're whacking it around on stage. So I'm just gonna do 3 sections like I normally do. So I prep my hair by using the Revlon brush, volumizing brush. To get like, so I just jumped out of the shower and then I'm getting larger sections and I'm pulling out the hair from the barrel. I turn, pull, turn, pull, and I straighten out the ends of the barrel. I would also recommend alternating so that it doesn't look like a big giant swoosh. Is swoosh a word to describe hair? So, do you see what I'm doing here? Wrap around, pull out, again, repeat, pull out, and then just pull it at the ends. Pull through at the ends. And it just gets like a nice bend. Can you see? The section where you just curled, and if it looks like all the curl is falling towards the bottom, I would get a few pieces, a small section, and then just curl the top like this. Because you don't want all the hair to fall to the wave to fall to the bottom. So this is a little more even. It's a little wavy. And I don't want to focus too much on this section of my hair. Because the top section is going to actually cover this part. So, see, there I did it again. So I need to stop it. See, I just want waviness. I don't need perfect curls in this section. And I like the end straight. If you have shorter length hair, let's say to the shoulder and just below, I would recommend a 1 inch. Because a lot of people, you know what I can't stand when people use 1 1/4 and the barrel is too big for shoulder length hair. So I always recommend 1 inch. I would also be using a 1 inch right now, but I don't know where that curling iron is. I think it's in the back of my car. I really find day to do this tutorial because it's like raining cats and dogs outside. So it's gonna go flat and gross if I step outside. Okay, so I took down the top section here. I like going for a middle part, even though that's not the most flattering for my face shape. I feel like I have a very round face, and a middle part usually emphasizes the roundness, whereas like a side part kind of, I feel like, slims out your face more. The bottom section's all ready and prepped, I guess. Is that what you would say? So I'm just gonna work on this top section because this is, honestly, this is the most important section. So I'm clamp the barrel, pull it out. I want you to see what I'm doing here. Do you see this wave? It goes like this, not like spirally. So okay, I'll do it again here. I don't know if you guys follow Anko Tran. I talked about him in my last video, but he is an amazing hairstylist, and he does what's called the new wave, and it's like this S pattern wave, and it's really nice, and I like it because it's a little different, and it looks, it breaks up the curl pattern. And so, I mean, he does this like fancy maneuver. He like uses a Marcel iron and does this fancy maneuver, and that's actually really hard to do on yourself. Marcel iron, using a Marcel iron isn't too hard. Well, once you get used to it, but you doing it in that pattern is pretty hard. And so this is my cheating method. You just go cradle, cradle, cradle. And then cradle, cradle the other way, and then cradle, cradle, cradle. It's pretty foolproof. And look, actually I should do one more here. You can, you see? This is actually, I don't know how other YouTubers do this, but I'm just winging it. I got some lights. I got the Beauty light, the round one. Oh, okay, so that turned out better. I should be looking into the actual mirror rather than, you see that? Rather than looking at the viewfinder, the screen on my tiny G7X. Okay. And I like to alternate, clamp the barrel. Not too bad. Doesn't look. It looks like I'm pretty much, well, I didn't really work on the back. And the back, as long as there's some sort of bend in there, I don't think the back needs to be that perfect. As long as, I think the most important part is having the pieces that frame your face. They're straight. And I'm overdue for a root touch-up. See, I think this is too curly for me. So I'll just go and straighten it. So, okay. See, there I go again. Okay, so this is my hair. I'm just grabbing random pieces. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to get, oh, this 1 inch section and another 1 inch section. I'm not gonna tell you to do that because I think that's not how I curl my own hair when I'm doing a client. That's a different story, but I think people are learning how to style their hair or do their makeup on themselves, not for other people. And so I have to make it realistic, easy for you to do at home. So I don't actually take perfect sections. I just grab whatever section looks straight and then curl. I mean, half the point of the style is to be effortless, not perfect, right? Who agrees? Is my hair perfectly wavy the way I want it to be? No. But I'm gonna spray the Orbe dry texturizing spray, see how it fluffs out, see if I need to fix this flatness on top or if this will remedy that. But I will continue styling it after. So, oh God, I love this stuff. It just makes it so fluffy. I do it at the roots because I have a flat head on top. I always think that this hairstyle looks great the second day when like the natural oils form in your hair and it gets a little piecier. Okay, so there we go again. So I spray the Orbe texturizing spray and then I'm gonna go check to see what pieces straightened out when I was roughing it up. So I'm just gonna go in and it'll kind of help create the pieciness. So I do 2 hairstyles, straight and wavy. This is it. I was once told a long time ago I look better with my hair down. And so I think I always don't feel as pretty with my hair up. Not to say that I don't look good with it, but because I've been told so many times I look better with my hair down, I always just wear it down. And I am a casual type person, if that makes sense. I always err on the side of more casual, and so if I'm too dressy, I like to wear my hair very simply. Because I hate being overdone. Not to say that there's anything wrong with being overdone, but I feel self-conscious. Isn't that weird? Yeah. I think that's enough. And then if any, I probably won't wash my hair for like a few days because I want to keep wearing this hairstyle. I think as long as the back looks piecey enough. I'm gonna make my fluffy ends more piecey with this wig. Okay, it's focusing there. So I'm just gonna put a little, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the ends. I think this is a step a lot of people forget. Because like, if the ends don't look clean, I feel like the hairstyle looks not so clean. Okay. I got my bend. It looks like it could be natural, but we all know I spent 20 minutes on this. I think this hairstyle is very easy and effortless. And so once you get in the habit of doing it more frequently, it ends up taking me like 5 minutes at tops. So it's easy, it's effortless, I like it. But do you see what I mean? Just like the ends getting more piecey. I should have done a close-up earlier, but hopefully you could see it in the video. This concludes this fabulous, effortless, wavy hair tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And check us out on Instagram and Facebook.